Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, go into sound, and over here you can click on the switcher next to also vibrate full calls to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. You can also scroll down, click on shortcut to prevent ringing, select press power and volume up together, and select vibration over here by clicking on vibrate. Go back, scroll down, and over here you can click on the switcher next to touch vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!